छत्तीसौ संग मिलाए क्यों गुन, क्यों जोड़ा बनाए जन्मों का। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले, हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले, हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो पिया हाँ के हाँ, हाँ के हाँ, हाँ के हाँ। Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today we are doing the tutorial for a song which is getting much popular. The song is Haan Ke Haan, sung by Monali Thakur from a recent Netflix movie which is Maharaj. Originally the song is in the key of D sharp major, but we can make the chords easier to play using a capo. Before stepping into today's lesson, I would like to mention regarding our live beginner guitar sessions. If you want to join our live guitar classes, then you may sign up on our website which is www.priyadhingra.com, or you may contact us on the WhatsApp number given on your screens. Now talking about today's tutorial, मैं आपको girls and boys दोनों के scale पे chords बताऊंगी. So without any further ado, let us begin with today's tutorial. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also, so that you can get all the notifications and updates for the upcoming tutorials. Let's start now. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि गर्ल्स का स्केल क्या होगा. Girls will place the capo on the first fret and you will play the chords C major, F major and G major. Originally the song is in the key of D sharp major scale. So if you want to play on the original scale, if your range allows, then you can place the capo on the third fret and play the same chords, which is C major, F major and G major. Also, if you don't know how to use a capo, then also you can play the same chords without using a capo, which is C major, F major and G major. Using these three open chords, we can play the whole song. Now the scale for boys. Boys can play this song on G major scale and the chords are G major, C major and D major. Let's compare these chords with my scale. जहाँ पर मैं C major play करूँगी with the capo on the first fret, there boys will play G major. जहाँ पर मैं F major play करूँगी, there you will play C major. जहाँ पर मैं G major play करूँगी, there you will play D major. Now the strumming pattern for the song is down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले, हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो किया हाँ के हाँ. So this is how you can play the rhythm. Let's move on to the song now. एक एक करे क्यों तारे गिने, क्यों माने कहा हम किस्मत को। छत्तीसौ संग मिलाए क्यों गुन, क्यों जोड़ा बनाए जन्मों का। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले, हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले, हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो पिया हाँ के हाँ, हाँ के हाँ, हाँ के हाँ. जो नहीं को फेंके। तू जीता तो तेरी, मैं जीती तो जाऊंगी लेके। चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से के पासे को फेंके। तू जीता तो तेरी, मैं जीती तो जाऊंगी लेके। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो पिया कि हाँ कि हाँ कि हाँ। I hope you like the tutorial for this song. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. Also let me know your favorite songs in the comment section below. You can post your short covers and short videos on our Facebook community page, which is Priya Dhingra Guitar Courses, or on my Instagram handle Dhingraji. The links are mentioned below, you may check out. Before signing off, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. I shall see you soon in the next tutorial. You all take care. Bye. चल तेरे मेरे इस किस्से का सिक्का उछाले। हूँ चित में तेरी है पट तू मेरे हवाले। कहता है क्या तेरा जिया, बोलो पिया हाँ कि हाँ कि हाँ कि हाँ।